Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly melts. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of jelly, 1 cup of boiling water, and 1 cup of cold water. You'll also need a silicone mold and a mixing bowl. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the simple steps to create these delightful treats. Now let's mix the jelly. Carefully empty the entire jelly packet into your heat-proof mixing bowl. Pour in 1 cup of boiling water and stir continuously until all the jelly crystals are completely dissolved. Then, add 1 cup of cold water and mix well. This ensures a consistent texture for your melts. With your jelly mixture ready, it's time to pour. Carefully transfer the liquid jelly into your chosen silicone mold. Fill each cavity almost to the top, leaving a small space. Once filled, place the mold in the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the jelly is completely firm and set. Once your jelly melts are fully set, it's time for the fun part, demolding. Gently push each melt from the bottom of the silicone mold to release it. They should pop out easily. Store any extra melts in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Now, you can enjoy your delightful homemade jelly melts. They are perfect for a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.